It's incredible. Unbelievable.
Oh my God.
This is the road.
Oh my
Wow.
God. This is unreal.
This is way down away from the river too.
Yeah, but the river's back that way.
Wow.
That road's closed.
That road's closed?
Yep.
So we're stuck. We gotta
Can we go
back through.
Up this way?
No.
What's
there's
this
no-
road?
I don't know where it goes, honey. Are you kidding me?
This road.
Look at all that debris that got piled up over there. Look at all that debris that got piled up over there.
Yeah.
How can they be going through if the road's closed?
It's probably just local traffic. Must just be local traffic. Can't you stop? Wow. It's people.
Yeah, that was pretty wild. So this is Bethel area, 107. The road further down is closed. We're not able to get there, so we're just going to have to go back through here. Where we just came through.
I'm sure they're loving all the... Oh, these poor people. Unreal.
Yeah.
That's just unreal. Oh my gosh.
I know. Just took the foundations right out.
Wow. Oh, there's a car up on its side. Oh my God.
Look at this bridge. I mean, this bridge is still
I
safe,
know.
they're saying. Check it out. I'm driving across this bridge, and boy, I'll tell you. See the stuff in that direction, and then you can see everything in that direction.
That's unreal.